Hello and welcome to the channel. This is how to make money under the age of 20. Making money under 20 years old is an opportunity to learn valuable skills, gain financial independence, and set a foundation for future success. Here are some ideas to consider. Part-time jobs. Look for part-time jobs in your local area, such as working at a retail store, restaurant, or tutoring. These jobs provide valuable work experience, develop your interpersonal skills, and earn you income. Freelancing or gig work. Leverage your skills and talents to offer services as a freelancer. This could include graphic design, writing, social media management, web development, or tutoring. Online platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or TaskRabbit can connect you with potential clients. Babysitting or pet sitting. Offer babysitting or pet sitting services in your neighborhood. Many parents and pet owners are willing to pay for reliable and responsible caregivers. Online surveys and microtasks. Sign up for online platforms that offer paid surveys or microtasks. While the income may be modest, it can be a way to make some extra money in your spare time. Start a small business. Identify a product or service that you can offer and start your own small business. This could be selling handmade crafts, providing lawn care services, or offering tutoring in a specific subject. Tutoring. If you excel in certain subjects, offer tutoring services to students who need assistance. You can tutor in person, or even provide online tutoring through video conferencing platforms. Create and sell crafts or art. If you have artistic skills, create and sell crafts or artwork. Platforms like Etsy or local craft fairs can be a great way to showcase and sell your creations. Social media influence. Build a following on social media platforms by sharing content that resonates with your audience. Once you have a substantial following, you can partner with brands for sponsored posts or become an affiliate marketer. Content creation. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or podcast, and generate income through ad revenue, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and consistently create high-quality content. Peer-to-peer services. Offer services to your peers, such as tutoring, house cleaning, organizing, or running errands. Spread the word within your network, or use online platforms to connect with potential clients. Remember to consider local regulations, obtain necessary permits if applicable, and prioritize your education while pursuing money-making opportunities. Building a strong work ethic, learning from experiences, and managing your finances wisely are valuable skills that will benefit you in the long run. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.